Hello everyone. In this scene, we'll walk through the complete installation of OpenShift Container Platform on bare metal servers using the UPI method, User Provisioned Infrastructure. First, prepare the physical servers. Each machine should follow your company's hardware standards. Update BIOS and firmware, and verify all network and storage connections. For every server, obtain the ILO or control IP address. The person performing the installation must have remote access to these management interfaces. Next, download the OpenShift ISO image from the Red Hat customer portal and place it in a location accessible to your servers. Also download the OC client and OpenShift install binaries. Then create the install.config file. This file will later generate the ignition configurations. Using the OpenShift install command, create the ignition files for Bootstrap, master, and worker nodes. For convenience, copy these files into the root directory of a simple web server. Ensure that all nodes can reach this web address through the assigned IP network. Attach the OpenShift ISO to each server and boot from it. When the system starts, the CoreOS installer will appear. After booting, assign a static IP using the incli command. Then use curl to download the correct ignition file from the web server. This verifies that the network connection is working properly. The installation begins with the Bootstrap node. CoreOS installs first, then temporary control plane services start running, including the API server and ECT. After the Bootstrap process completes, install the master and worker nodes in the same way. Each node uses its ignition file and automatically joins the cluster. When all nodes are ready, the OpenShift cluster is complete. You can verify by running OC get nodes and checking that every node shows the status ready. This completes the bare metal OpenShift installation using the UPI method. For more DevOps and cloud tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Half of Buildular, explaining science the simple way.